Hump Day in Minnesota.
Is it funny that I look to see if you actually have your four-wheel drive on?
You know you're on camera, right?
Yes.
Of course you got four-wheel drive on.
I know, but the fact that I look to see if you have it on. There's too many times you intentionally drive with it off.
Only when I need it. This raging snowstorm, I need it.
See what I mean, though? It's like, you know the stop sign's coming up because you know where we're at,
Yeah,
but...
it's like, where is it?
Yeah. You can see it. Ah, there's the stop ahead.
Now, the trick to driving in this stuff is just simply slow down. Yeah, you got four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, whatever, but you're not invincible. A little bit here, we're going to drive over a busy highway, Highway 36, and look at this guy, he's having a hard time controlling. He's going a little sideways.
Yeah, he doesn't have four-wheel drive or doesn't have it on.
No, he's just trying to get going too fast is all. Yeah, which you can barely see, even though that first car up there does have his lights on.
Yeah, you can just I'm seeing their running lights more so now.
But notice the distance I've got in between me and this guy here. In case he has a problem, I got time to stop.
One in front of him is turning.
Yep, and the problem with that is you can't find the turn lane. See, I'm just kind of creeping up to this stop sign right here.
No, I saw him kind of slide.
He broke it loose. There he's breaking it loose again.
Is it intentional or is it slippery?
Nope, it's snow. It's slippery. He's trying to get going too fast. That's the number one reason you're going to end up in the ditch in this stuff. It's impatience. But I mean, look at this, guys. It is beautiful.
Where's the lake?
Right? The snow on the trees. I mean, it's beautiful. These are unplowed roads too. Plow truck has not been here yet. There's no wake from the plow, so these are unplowed roads.
I think unplowed are easier with four-wheel drive.
In my opinion, that is correct.
It's one thing I've noticed going to work early in the morning on like unplowed roads. I've had easier time than once they've been plowed.
Yep. Here you got Farmer Bob on his four-wheeler cleaning off his driveway. That's how we do it.
Oh.
Yep, that's how we do it in Minnesota. We don't mess around. Now, I mean, like I said, we got probably 4 or 5 inches of snow on the ground right now, and guarantee you most southern states, this would shut them down. Here in the great state of Minnesota, this isn't even white-knuckle driving. Not yet, anyway. This is just snow. Now, if this was all ice, I mean, like layer ice, then yeah, that'd be some white-knuckle driving. a snowblower. Yeah, the only thing we use shovels for is steps. You ain't getting a four-wheeler on it, and you ain't getting a snowblower on it. So, lonely ice shack out there.
There's another one back ways.
Oh, I actually see the line in the road. Look at
Yeah.
that. Obviously, in this area here, you don't want to go off-road. It's about a 30-40 foot drop down to the lake right now. Hence the guardrail. That's Jarvis Lake, by the way. Just gotta find a tire alleyway, I guess. Tire marks. Just try and follow them. Go easy. That's the secret. Slow it down. Man, this is beautiful.
Told you you'd want to go out in it.
Give this video a like, guys. I need views. I wanted to do this in a live stream, but I couldn't because I got to get so many views from before YouTube will allow me to do a live stream. So unfortunately, I can't do a live stream yet. Too new. Too much of a noob. Nothing like exploring in a snowstorm. Man, I can actually see better looking at the screen on my camera or on my phone with the camera on than I can actually looking out my own windshield. I feel like I actually see farther because it's not picking up a lot of the snow that's coming down. Alright, we got 36 coming up here, guys. We're going to stop here and just kind of take a quick little peekaroo here. Pull up a little farther. Alright, sit back a little bit. I'm going to turn the camera here real quick. That's Highway 36. Everybody's moving pretty slow. Most people go about 65, 70 miles an hour through here. Looks like they're doing about 20. So we know what's up. We know how to drive. There's a few that don't, and those few that don't, you're going to find in the ditch. Guaranteed. Alright, but I am kind of blocking the road here, so we're going to get back to it. Move the camera back. There we go. Safety first. I don't want to block too much. Can't find the tire treads. I'm just bouncing all over the place.
Just imagine being a little compact car on this.
What is this guy doing? About to have a head-on collision up here.
Car's stuck. Car can't get up.
And what happens in Minnesota when you don't have four-wheel drive, people? You get your neighbors to help you out and push your damn car up the hill.
My guess is he stopped. Keep throttling it. Throttle it like you're pumping your brakes.
Well, I got a tow chain on board, but my luck is I'll probably rip the front end of that car off. But yep, this is what happens when you don't have four-wheel drive in the state of Minnesota. You pay for it. Let me see if I can't zoom up on these guys, give you a better shot of what's going on here. Ah, man, this new phone is awesome. I had a little incident with my S6 and was able to get myself into an S8, and this camera is so much better.
He grabbed what looked like an orange strap. The truck did. If he's gonna try and use that, or is that a tow chain?
No, that is a ratchet strap.
If he's gonna try and do it with a ratchet strap, your chain would be better than a ratchet.
Yeah, probably, but they pretty much got the whole road blocked now. And I'm getting this all on video. I love it. Good stuff.
It's like you almost should go out and try and help.
Yep. I could grab the steering wheel and whatnot. Alright guys, I'm going to be Mr. Good Samaritan here, and I'm going to go out, leave you with my wife here, and see if I can't help these guys out. I will be right back.
Went out for a nice little drive in the snowstorm, and here we are helping people out. More Minnesota nice. Helping people out. Oof. Down he goes. He's good.
yet. Uh-oh. Here we go again.
Stuckage. Yeah, more stuckage.
Stuckage. I like that. Stuckage.
Stuckage. Well, that's what it is stuckage.
Oh, man.
All right. They need help. They need another guy with muscles. I've got more commentary.
Commentary? Oh, man, I gotta watch this. Where's the dry glove?
I don't know.
Down here.
More Minnesota nice. Ooh. And I think there's concrete where the sign is. That's a median. So that's gonna help.
He said he wasn't stuck.
He looks like he's pretty good in all his tires. It's just once he gets to this section, what's gonna happen?
Right.
So let's just let him get moving. Make sure.
Oh, he's got it.
Yeah.
There you go. Minnesota nice. Caught on film again.
Why do you want to go home? It's so pretty outside.
Yeah, Daddy's working his butt off for free.
Yeah, but karma though.
Hell yeah. That's, what, 4 or 5 people I help now? There you go. Yeah, earning karma points. If that's such a thing.
I'll get paid back somehow, some way. Might not be tomorrow. Might not be next week.
Alright, here we go again. More vehicles that don't have 4-wheel drive that are having issues. I gotta crank my heat up here real quick. My windshield's starting to freeze over, so you're gonna hear a nice loud hum.
It's like these cars almost should be doing Walter, which will then take them to freaking Beam.
Yeah, but they're not that smart.
Well, they probably don't even realize that you can go that way.
See, now here we're in a situation where I can't go to the left of them because I can't see any oncoming traffic that's headed my way, and it's only a 2-lane road. And you got there's a curb up there, as you can see, kind of see, I guess.
Where the sign is.
Snap my wiper a little bit there. I might have to get out here and help again. One more. There you go. The wiper, the Minnesota wiper snap.
Yep.
Not the whippersnap, the wiper snap. Alright.
Now you got 3 people. Oh, one almost went down.
Yeah, that fell on my ass.
Yep. No accidents though. Follow STUCKAGE.
I'm sure there is on the freeways. This Pontiac's just spinning his tire up there. That this is a very steep hill. Most vehicles are going to have a lot of issue getting up and down this hill. But yet you're going to go and take it anyway when you know you're going to get stuck? Well, in my opinion, it becomes your problem. This plow truck's trying to hop the curb and you can't do it. It's a painted corner, which makes it slippery. Well, you gave up on the curb.
She's going around.
All these cars should not be here. That van shouldn't even be trying. They're all front-wheel drive. They ain't gonna make it.
Not once you stopped.
Hey, here comes the Minnesota Nice. Or is it the Minnesota Impatience who's gonna get out and help?
Bull?
We're gonna go over Nana Pampas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and another one comes out. She shouldn't even have a coat on. Oh, she just about biffed it. Thing is, this Ford in front of us ain't gonna go anywhere either. I don't even get why these people are even trying to get up this damn hill.
Yep.
Makes no frickin' sense. This guy behind me is getting impatient. He's trying to go around me. But he just realized he can't get up the curb. Yeah, I figure since I'm soaked anyway, what the hell?
She just got herself stuck.
She stopped. Alright, I'm out of this. See you later, guys. This is why Minnesotans that don't have four-wheel drive hate people that have four-wheel drive. Problem with that plow truck that when he was trying to get up the curb, he wasn't at the right angle.
No.